In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize the canvas in Photopea the right way, so you can add more blank space around your design or trim the edges without stretching your actual artwork. This is a super useful trick if you're making thumbnails, banners, social media graphics, or any design that needs a different amount of working space. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips. All right, let's jump in. First, open your project in Photopea. Once your file is loaded, look at the top menu bar. You'll want to click Image and then choose Canvas Size. This is the option that lets you expand or shrink the empty canvas area around your design. Just remember, this does not resize your layers or artwork itself. It only changes the workspace around it. After the canvas size window opens, you'll see a few important settings. The first thing you can change is the measurement unit. On the right side, use the drop-down menu to switch to whatever unit makes the most sense for your project. You can choose pixels, inches, percent, or another unit depending on what you need. If you're working on digital graphics, pixels is usually the easiest choice. Next, type in your new dimensions in the width and height boxes. If you want more room around your design, enter larger numbers. If you want to crop the canvas down, enter smaller numbers. Just be careful here, because this changes the canvas boundary, not the size of the actual image layers. Now comes the most important part, the anchor grid. You'll see a 3x3 box grid with arrows. This grid decides where your existing artwork stays locked while the canvas changes size. If you leave the center dot selected, Photopea will expand or shrink the workspace evenly on all sides. That means the blank space will be added or removed evenly around your design. If you choose the top center anchor, your artwork stays locked to the top, and the extra canvas space gets added only to the bottom. This is really useful if you need more room underneath the design without moving the top portion. If you choose the left center anchor, your artwork stays locked to the left, and the canvas expands to the right. That can be helpful for layouts where you want to extend the design sideways. There are many other anchor positions too, and each one changes where the added or removed space appears. So before clicking OK, always think about which part of your design you want to stay fixed. That small choice can completely change how the canvas resizes around your artwork. Once you've set the size, chosen the correct unit, and selected the anchor position, click OK. Photopea will instantly apply the new canvas size, and you'll see your workspace update right away. If you expanded the canvas, you'll now have more blank room to work with. If you reduced it, the canvas will crop down to the new size while keeping your layers intact based on the anchor you selected. And that's how you resize the canvas in Photopea. It's a simple process once you understand the difference between canvas size and image size. Canvas size changes the working area, while your actual artwork stays the same unless you manually scale it. That's why this tool is so useful for clean layout adjustments. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, beginner tips, and quick design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.